All the professionals, plumbers, electricians, carpenters, we got this 43-piece set of multi-purpose blades, and we go through them a lot. We probably go through like 10 minimum a day. So we always want to have a big set. That way you don't need to run to the store. They usually get them on a big package, especially right now for the holidays. And you could use it with any brand of multi-purpose tool. So first we got the titanium blade that if you're cutting and you go through metal or nails, always good to have one of those. A spatula when we're removing caulking and stuff like that to clean. And then we got the wider blade when we're doing molding, so we're cutting, installing. You can cut the pipes or wood or drywall. It depends what you want it for. And it also has the dimensions for the depth that you want on the side of each blade. So if you guys never notice, it has the dimensions right there on the side for you guys. And the other thing that it has some washers. When the blade's getting loose, it has some adapters for the different brands. So just in mind. We're gonna change this one because this is a little wear out. It worked, but we're gonna try a brand new one for you guys. This is a quick release one. It's really nice to have this ones. Easy like that. Put it back in there. Okay, test it before you start cutting anything. We're good to go. So we're gonna try it out right now for what we use it for.